Welcome dear students in the fourth video of laws of motion. In this video I am going to explain about Newton's third law of motion. According to Newton's third law, to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. The action and reaction never acts on the same body, but they always act simultaneously on two different bodies. That is, the forces of interaction are always present in pair. Let us see the examples of action and reaction in our daily life. The first example I am going to explain: a book on a table. When a book is kept on a table, suppose a table is there and a book is placed over it, so the weight of the book is acting vertically downward. This weight is action exerted by the book on the table. The table exerts an equal and opposite force, that is reaction, as the two forces balances each other. So this is action, which is the weight of the book on the table, and this force is the reaction force, and it is exerted by the table. The next example, we can see motion of men on ground. When a man tries to move forward, he pushes the ground in the backward direction. Let us see how. Suppose a horizontal surface and a man try to move forward. So he pushes the earth in the backward direction with a force which is action. The earth exerts an equal and opposite force on his feet as a action, as a reaction. So this is the reaction. Reaction force is also equals to the action. Now we can resolve this reaction force in two components, one vertically upward and one in horizontal direction. This reaction force can be taken in two parts. I break this reaction in two components, one vertically upward and another is the forward. This vertical component balances the weight of the body. So weight of the man is balanced by the vertical component of reaction, and the forward component makes the man to move forward. So this is how a man walks, and how he moves forward, and how the Newton's third law is applicable in moving or walking. Next example, we can see motion of boat away from the shore while stepping down from it. You might have seen, when a person jumps from the boat, what happens? The boat moves backward, because when he tries to jump, he pushes the boat in backward direction as an action, and then the boat applies a reaction on the man to step out from the boat. So he step out from the boat, and due to the action of that man, on the boat moves in the water backward. Similarly, another example we can see related to this boat only. Motion of a boat moving away from the shore. You might have seen the boatman always uses a bamboo to push the shore. When he pushes the shore, that as an action, the shore applies an equal force on the bamboo, due to which he moves along, the boatman moves along with the boat in the water. So action and reaction acts there also. Next example we can see pushing a wall. When we pushes the wall, we are applying some force on the wall. We feel a reaction exerted by the wall on our palm. So action and reaction works there also. Next example we can see catching a ball. While catching a ball, the ball exerts a force as an action on the palm of the cricketer, and the cricketer exerts an equal and opposite force as a reaction on the ball to stop it. So these are some examples of action and reaction in our daily life. This is all about Newton's third law and some examples of action and reaction in our daily life. In next video, I will explain about gravitation. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.